So, hi.
Hi, I'm Harris from Xenoma in Japan. We're a small startup and we make eSkin, smart apparel technology for happier and healthier life. This is our eSkin Miva down here, these pants. It is a completely cameraless motion capture system using IMU sensors, magnometer free, use it in any environment. You can use it outside of the lab.
So, full motion sensing happening here?
Yes, we currently just have the lower body version, but we've got the upper body coming next spring.
How does it work?
It just connects to a PC with a Bluetooth dongle, and the pants are fully washable, rechargeable.
So,
You
just
just put
some
them
kind of
on.
sensor happening here?
Yes, all these parts you see here are IMU sensors. They capture all the motions, your twists, turns, everything, all the movements, every little.
What's happening here?
That's just for looks.
For looks? So, is this something happening under the knee?
This is to give it more angle of motion for more freedom of movement.
And what's happening in each of those?
Yeah, so these are all
areas?
IMU sensors. Yeah, each of these is a sensor, and they're all connected to that hub.
It's flexible.
Completely flexible, yeah.
What's the material? What's the solution? How does it work?
What's the solution?
Yeah, how do you... This is flexible electronics. Is it
Yeah.
printed electronics or...
It is not printed, no.
How do you put it in? How do you make this? How would you say?
I'm a new hire with the company, and I'm not
Okay.
sure how much I'm allowed to say
Okay.
yet. Sorry,
Okay.
Marty, want to cut that part.
No